Okay, so in this lab we created a search and rescue webpage that simulated a search and rescue operation. The first problem in the code, which is right here, was that the ball bounced halfway through the walls. To combat this, the range of the radar was subtracted from the canvas height, which is right here. Next, the top and left boundaries were implemented by adding a conditional OR, which is represented by these two lines right here, the x and y boundary function that made the function return true if the boat's position was less than the radar range, represented here, effectively turning the boat around. Next, the distance to the target was not shown on screen. A span ID with dis to target was added to the HTML as shown here. A statement was added to the update progress function. Right here. To update the distance to target info with the other data. Lastly, the math.floor function was used right here to truncate the decimal of the distance to target. Lastly, the last technical problem we encountered was that the found function over here always returned false. So fixing this was easy. Because if the lost boat, because the lost boat was found if the distance to the target was equal or less than the radar range, shown by this conditional if statement. If this was not true, then we would return false and the search would continue. The elapsed time and distance to target needed some color to their corresponding HTML elements. So they were assigned the class progress, which is shown right here. And a CSS section was added to make the values and their headers turn purple and bold, which is shown here. The last exercise in this lab was presenting an interesting condition. The clear function was removed, but the boat left a trail behind it, eventually painting the whole canvas. The boat behaved similarly to a motorcycle from the movie Tron. That's it.